And once again, we're seeing COVID cases rise quickly across the country, and that has local school officials increasingly concerned. Dawn, we know at least one school in Delco is going back to mandatory masks.
Absolutely, Shayna. Chatham Park Elementary School here in Haverford Township, Delaware County, making that decision today after a recent and significant spike in COVID-19 cases.
I thought we were hopefully getting past this point, but, here we are again.
This mom of three, ages 4, 7, and 9, referring to the reinstating of Chatham Park Elementary School's mandatory mask policy beginning tomorrow. The principal of the Haverford school citing an uptick in COVID cases, 21 in the last 7 days, 10 students testing positive just yesterday.
Right now, the numbers in the schools are crazy. My kids' school had 56 positive cases on Friday, their high school.
Wow.
And that's not including the middle school, lower school, or the faculty.
Pediatrician Dr. Jennifer Corin says her children attend school in Fort Washington, and they too are returning to masks. She says it makes sense in schools when there's a COVID surge.
The good news is the children that we're seeing with this illness really haven't been very sick. It's been a sniffle. So that's reassuring.
For me, implementing the masks again is what it is. Anything to keep the children and the staff and the teachers safe, I'm fine with.
Brian Ander says his 2 kids, including 6-year-old Mabel, are vaccinated. But this dad admits he's getting a little frustrated with masks on, masks off, masks on again.
And I guess if the uptick is there, it makes sense. But at some point, we got to figure out what we're going to do here with the masks.
Everybody gets so frustrated when the rates go up, but that's naturally what happens with infection. And it's just going to be part of our lives. And we're going to learn to deal with this like we deal with everything else.
Dr. Corin's advice, if your children are showing symptoms of COVID, test them immediately. And if they test positive, keep them home from school. She also says having them wear a mask isn't a bad idea if cases are high in a particular school district. She says she knows it's probably not a bad idea, but maybe an unpopular one. Jason.
All right, Dawn Timothy, thank you very much.